Hello champs. So in this lesson we are going to learn about how to create a 3D model of clock. So let's come on to the Google Sketchup and try to make a 3D model of clock. I have created a blank new project of Google Sketchup. Now I am going to create a clock. To create a clock, first I will choose and create one circle. Now I am going to create a circle over the red axis. So you can see a red circle. Now I've created a circle. Now I want to make a offset or inner border of a clock. To make our inner border, in previous session we have learned about offset tool. Here we can find our offset tool. From here I will select offset tool and create an inner border. Now I want the numbers on my clock. So in last session we have learned about the 3D text. So I am going to write a 3D text here. And I will write 12 and click on OK. I'm going to put a 12 in center on the face. Similarly, I am going to create all 4 numbers. So now you can see I have written all 4 numbers over there. Now I want to create minute hand, hour hand and second hand. So how we can create it? So we are going to use the rectangle tool, and from the rectangle tool, first let me zoom it a little bit. To make it zoom, I am going to use magnifying glass and just drag it. To make it zoom in, you can drag it. To make it zoom out, you can drag outside. Okay, so whenever you drag outside, it will be zoom out. Whenever you want to zoom in, just drag in. Okay, made a little bit zoom. Now I want to create a hour end. For that, I am going to choose a rectangle, and from the center, I am going to create one rectangle. Okay, and from the scale tool I will make it little smaller like this, and I can move it as well. So by using move tool I can move it in the center of the line. Similarly, I am going to create a second hand and a minute hand. Created a minute hand. Let's create a second hand as well. So see, I have created one rectangle. Now I want to make it scale down. To make it scale down, I will just click on this, select this, and drag it near. So see, you can see one unnecessary line here. We can erase it by using eraser. Now we have created minute hand, hour hand and second hand. Now we are going to make it convert into 3D. To make it, we are going to pull this up a little bit. See, a watch has been extracted. Similarly, we are going to make these also extracted. And see, our clock is ready. Now we are going to fill some colors. From the colors, we are going to choose some material, metallic material. Into here, I am going to fill some glass. And on the top, I am going to fill some metals, metallic designs. I'm going to try different shapes. Which one do you like? You can try. I've selected this face, and at background, I'm going to use this one. In numbers, I'm also going to fill some colors like blue. And in second and minute hand. So friends, we have successfully created a model of watch. Now, how we can download it? Just first save it. To click on save button. Click on Sketchup. Write here clock. And save it. Now it got saved. How you can download it? Just go to download and export it as a PNG. You can download it like this and click on export and save it. Similarly, you can download this in a 3D format, STL, and you can download it. Whenever you open the STL format, you will be able to watch this model in a pen 3D. So in this lesson, we have learned about how to create a 3D model of clock. So now it's your turn to create the same and submit your project.